in 2022 here with some craft ideas for you. So, hope you guys are keeping safe, and I hope you guys are keeping busy. So, what our craft is today is a Popsicle Snowflake. So, I'm going to show you how I did this, and I'm also going to encourage you to do whatever you want. So, I'm going to show you the building blocks that I created to make that, and then show you how to do it. So, you're going to start, and that took 24 popsicle sticks. So, you're going to start with this little building block. Take 3 popsicle sticks first, and do this little thing where you get a very kind of narrow triangle. Don't pop it out too much. And then you're going to, and I am using hot glue for the sake of taping this for you so you can see how I did it. But you can use school glue. And you kind of put the third one kind of centered-ish, not perfect. You don't have to do it perfectly. So that's our building block. You do this 4 times, and then we're going to put them together like this. I'm going to show you on here. Then we'll glue them together, and you get something that looks like that. Okay, so dot the glue on either end, and you want a rough kind of square shape in the center. My idea was, if you want to, when you're all done, you can use this to put like a family portrait or a winter portrait of you guys like playing in the snow or something fun if you like. And I'm going to put the glue on this last one like that, and then lay it down. Alright, so there's that. And you're going to come up with something that looks a little bit like this. Alright, you're going to do this twice. At least that's what I did. So let's see. And I kind of moved it to where it's like that, so that it's not totally centered on it. You don't want this. You want it to kind of pivot where you almost have like little V's in the window up here, and then glue them together. So a little glue on there where they pass over, and that is pretty simple. Almost did the thing I told you not to do. Okay, there we go. And if you miss it, you can just make that your back, because I missed it on one side. Get it there, and then find where it does pass over, and then just put your glue down. Okay, so I'm going to do that. Right in there. Push down. And you've got yourself a snowflake. So you can see that mine is painted white. I did that with spray paint. I don't necessarily say that's the best thing to do. You can see it's also a little bumpy. But you can use regular paint if you don't have popsicle sticks that are colored. You can go ahead and paint it with just regular old acrylic paint. And there you go. And so I use just some kind of string. I have like balloon string is how I hung it. But you can use whatever you like. So I just thought this was fun, since we are and have received such a big blast of snow the other day. It might be a fun way to do some inside crafting. So you guys, and here's the thing, just because we use that building block, the triangle, you can go on and use that building block to do other kinds of snowflakes too. You don't have to do this shape. I hope you come up with one that's all your own. You don't even have to use that shape. You could, 3 seems to be a good number to make a building block shape for me. So, but try some new things. Make up your own snowflake. Let me see it. All right, you guys, we are on Facebook and also YouTube. So you can catch us on there and you can catch us in the library. See you guys later.